Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. So I'm doing a video on my braces journey. I'm currently on my 3-month braces journey. So thinking about getting braces or you have braces, keep watching. So the first thing that everyone thinks about when they're getting braces is about the pain. I remember watching so many videos on YouTube and thinking about how much it's gonna hurt, because there was so many videos out there saying it was gonna hurt, and I was like, oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna do this because it hurt. I was so nervous. But after getting it done, I didn't get that much pain. The first thing that I can recommend you guys to do is basically take paracetamol before you go get your braces done, because honestly it will help. Take that, and take that the next day too, because the dentist, I remember he was like to me, the next day is gonna hurt you, so make sure you take something. Yeah, I got my braces done. I didn't feel any pain, like I wasn't in any tremendous pain or anything. I was just discomfort, like it was just very uncomfortable, like you have something in your mouth. I hated it. It was horrible. Like the first week was probably the worst week as well as the food. Guys, if you're a foodie, oh my god, like I remember thinking,
I can't do it, not for me, like
I can't do it. I couldn't eat anything. That I wanted to eat. Like it just hurt so bad, and I got so angry. I was like, I'm angry because I'm hungry, and I'm angry because I can't eat, and it's freaking annoying, and it feels uncomfortable, and I was so over it. And like, obviously, do you know what, no one's the same, because I remember reading through YouTube comments, like when I was looking at all these videos before I was gonna get my braces done, and thinking, and like seeing comments of people saying,
oh my god, like I don't know how you guys saying it hurts, it doesn't hurt. Mine didn't ever hurt. Like I ate a whole carrot and apple when I got my braces done.
I was just like, good for you, mate. But honestly, I feel like the first month is the worst month. Like you doubt yourself. Oh my god, you're like, is this even working? Is this even worth it? I can't do anything. My tip for like, before you go to your appointment, make sure you eat. My other tip would be, make sure you drink paracetamol. What I did, drink paracetamol or any painkiller before you go. Make sure you drink it on the next day as well. If you feel like you feel uncomfortable and you hate it, just drink something. You're mad because you can't eat, you're mad because you have this contraption in your mouth, you're mad about everything. But honestly, like, you look back and you're just gonna be like, okay, like, it wasn't that bad. Your braces fitted, you wouldn't be able to eat anything. Honestly, you wouldn't be able to eat for a week. It sucks, but that's the reality of it. I would recommend you guys to eat is probably like, I lived off egg and rice literally all the time. Like it didn't hurt to eat egg or rice somehow, I don't know why. My other tip would be, if you're in pain, this worked as well with the wisdom teeth. Like if your wisdom tooth is coming out, warm water with salt, swish it around your mouth, spit it out, the pain will be gone. And I just want to like tell you guys that just to trust the process. Like I feel like the first month is probably the worst month. If like the first month you might see no different, because I remember like going to my second appointment to get it tightened, and I said to my dentist, like, why hasn't my teeth moved? Like nothing's moved, not even 1 inch. And he was like, it has moved, look at the pictures. I was like, oh wow, okay. So that's my other tip. Take pictures. Every time you get your teeth tightened, take pictures. Look at your teeth and then compare it, and then you'll see like, oh, this teeth has moved. It will make you feel like, okay, this is worth it, because something's happening, your teeth are moving. So another thing like about getting braces is that your brushing your teeth is gonna take longer, but make sure you brush your teeth, guys, because the outcome will be so much better. One thing that I can tell you guys to invest in or buy, whatever, is a water pick or water flosser. I bought mine off Amazon. Like, make sure you just look at the reviews, but you can get really cheap ones there, and they honestly work. It's a freaking lifesaver. It saves you time. Another thing I want to say is that just because you ate something that your dentist told you not to eat, like, you didn't ruin your braces. So just chill out, okay? Because like, you're bound to eat, because come on, like I've eaten stuff that my dentist said don't eat. I've eaten something like that, but just be careful, because I'm not wasting my money on my brackets breaking just because I decided to eat one thing but that wasn't worth it. I want to say to you guys, really research your orthodontist, because I've been hearing a lot of people get teeth taken out when they're not meant to, like unnecessary teeth taken out, and it's just like, it's bad. Like they mess up your teeth, and the outcome just was like not good. So research. I feel like this is for everyone who's thinking about getting braces, or who has braces, or who just recently had braces, and you feel like that, you feel this way. nobody cares. Like, honestly, nobody cares. Like, people will notice it like in the first week, some people won't, some people will. Like, it all depends. But like after a week, like, no one will ever notice that. People will get used to seeing you with it, because braces doesn't define who you are, guys. Braces does not define who you are. And so many people are not getting braces because they're scared of what other people are gonna think, or how they're judged, or I'm too old for braces, or oh, braces has such a stigma like attached around it, and I don't know why, especially metal braces. And it's just like, no, like, if you're investing in yourself and you're making your own teeth, like, this is your natural teeth, be straight and more healthier, why are people knocking it? Like, you are you, with or without the braces. Like, you are you. Like, if you take them off, you're still you. If you have them, you're still you. Like, it doesn't define you, it doesn't make you who you are. Like, don't let what people think, like, deter you from getting your goal, which is straight teeth. Like, that's ridiculous. Get it. If you're thinking about get it, if you have it and you're like scared of what people think, be like, bitch, I got braces because I want to invest in myself and I want to have straight teeth. So, and okay, seriously, like, you're a bad bitch with braces and you're a bad bitch without braces. Me, I went all out. I got the metal thing, I got the classic, the metal, because I wanted to. I like the idea of metal brace. I don't know, I like it. I think it's cute. I don't know, I like it. I have silver on right now, like, I have the bands, but I love changing the bands. Like, I don't know, it's cute. Like, oh, what band should I get this month? I like it. I'm 24 and I have braces. So I invested in myself. So if you have braces or you're getting braces, always think about why you got them in the first place, and they are going to be worth it. Trust me, they are going to be worth it. You have to always keep telling yourself that, because I feel like I have to keep telling myself that when I get it tightened. And the first day is like, it kind of hurts a little bit when you, like, it just a little bit. Yeah, but just, guys, trust the process, guys. I know it's hard. If you're in your first month, it's the hardest one. If you're in your first week, that is the worst week. I hate it. Trust me, I can relate. I'm on my 3rd month into my braces journey, so this is what I've, like, my tips so far. Like, it's not a lot because I haven't really been in this process for long, but everyone's different, guys. So this is just my experience and my tip. I'm probably gonna like vlog my next time I go to my dentist. Yeah, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.